Okay, guys, yesterday we shared this strategy that can actually help you to trade, to pick up profitable trades whenever you are trading. And those trade strategies are just the resistance zone, the trend, and of course the support zones. Okay. The most important of these three, is the trend. Okay, so but the three will always work together in order for you to have a successful trading strategy. Okay, guys, right from there, using this same strategy, I used it to pick up some trades yesterday, some signals yesterday, which I posted in the Telegram channel, and I also posted it in my video yesterday night, and so many people took advantage of it and they made a lot of profit. So let's check them out one after the other before coming over to the strategy again so that I can explain better for you to understand how it well before you start using the same strategy. Okay. So first of all, we will go to GainX 1200. First TP, second TP were achieved with GainX 1200. Now let's go to PayNext 1200. I gave out the first signal, first TP and second TP in the Telegram channel, but in the video which I made, I said it's most likely for it to get to the third TP if it breaks out from here, and it got there successfully all through the night. Okay, you can see why people made a lot of profit from there, and it's so easy, guys. All you just need to do is to apply the same strategy, the support region, the trend, and of course it is on an uptrend, and all you just need to do is just to follow up with it. And even those that are having this trading tool will even have it, find it very easy to go into it. They can easily come in here where we add our buy order, and of course another buy order here to add more, and of course another buy order here also to add more. And you can see this will have given them lots and lots of profit at the end of the day. Okay, now let's move on. This is the last one, and you can see this actually went on downtrend. This was given in the video I posted yesterday, not in the Telegram platform. Okay, and of course, give us a downtrend signal at this point after getting to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there. Still the same strategy, the trend and the resistance region. So give us a sell signal, sell signal, sell signal, and of course it went down. Okay, the first TP, second TP, third TPs, and of course it even went down, and it is still selling. Okay, I'm expecting it to get to this region and most likely get there before the end of the day. So that is the beautiful part of it. Now let's come back to here, guys. Let's come back to here. So this is beautiful. Once you understand all this, you will always milk the market for a very long time. Like I said, this got to the resistance zone. At this point, it was unable to break out above it. Then it changed the direction of the trend into a downtrend. You can see it right from there, giving us a downtrend signal and some sell signals along the line. You can see it went down till it got to this support zone. Right now, it got to the support zone, wasn't able to break out from there. And of course, it changed the direction of the trend into an uptrend. You can see it right from here. An uptrend signal, a buy signal from here. I told you this yesterday in my video yesterday. Even if it's this asset that you were able to trade yesterday, you would have been in profit, lots of profit, because I used this particular asset to do the analysis, and I told you that this is already going on uptrend and it's going to buy for a very long time. And check it out, it's bought for a very long time. You can see it right from here. Check it out, guys, and it is still buying. That is the beautiful part of it. Okay, if you are coming around there till this very moment, this will have given you how many candles? 309 candles. This is 15 minutes time frame. You can do your calculations and see how much profit you would have made from here. So that is the beautiful part of it. All you just need to do is just to understand it very well. Make sure you know how to identify the trend. Make sure you know how to identify the support and resistance zone, and you should also know how to use them. Apart from identifying them, you should know how to use them. For instance, I said, guys, I said, if the trend is on downtrend or just going on downtrend and it's coming from the resistance zone, then you should sell alone. Okay, if the trend is going on uptrend and it is coming from a major support zone, the only thing you should focus on is to buy. Okay, so this will help you to always be in profit all the time if you apply this strategy. And each time you are placing your order, always make sure you create a stop loss for yourself. That will help you to manage your capital very well so that you don't waste away your capital at the beginning of your trading activities. And I always advise you guys to practice first on your demo account. Okay, each time you get a new strategy, make sure you practice it first on your demo account. Make sure you perfect it very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. This is very, very important. Okay, so guys, if you follow instruction, you are most likely to be making profit day after day. Okay, so this is very, very important. I will be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, and you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. If you want to know more about this trading tool, it is a custom made trading tool, then you can also ask your question via WhatsApp. You can also join the Telegram channel so that you can follow up with whatever trading signal I am dropping on the Telegram channel. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.